Another day, another bike post, another adventure. This time I'm in Ulan-Ude. I didn't film much today because I already was on this road and I already filmed it on the way to Magadan, but I'm gonna show you this place. As I said, another bike post. This is in Ulan-Ude now, and I'm so pleased that I learned about this big, huge actually chain of different garages and places like this everywhere around Russia, where motorcycle travelers just can stay for free, enjoy the local hospitality, meet people like you, talk with them, and of course all of this for free. So let me show you around. So basically now this is a huge garage, and you can go with the bike inside. So this is my bike, and there are many sofas on which one you can sleep here, another one there. Also they have another like 10 different beds on the top, something very similar as a hostel. It's just fantastic place. Of course, fridge, bar with drinks, hot water for tea, coffee, sugar, everything you need, internet, computer, drums if you want to play some things, decoration of course as usual, fantastic, anything related to motorcycle traveling, anything, a lot of memories here. It's just a place that you will like to see. See this part? Nice boards. I like the decoration of the beams. And this one. I wanted to show you something interesting. This is how it looks like outside. Over there is the second part where you can sleep as well. But I would like to show you the view from here, which is the top of everything. Today it was very hot here, like 29 degrees. Have a look now, this huge spot, so green. Over there is actually Ulan-Ude. I'm not going to the town because I already was there, but I would really enjoy to have a beer in this spot, relax, and tomorrow morning right on the road again. See you in the next video. Ciao.